Hi everyone, Design Chickie here. This week's video is a little different. First off, I just wanted to give everyone a huge internet hug for following along on the channel as we pushed past the 500 subscriber mark. Thanks for watching the videos and giving them a thumbs up. I so appreciate it and I love all your comments and questions, so keep them coming. But I do have some big news. This chickie is going on vacation. Okay, that's only part of the news. The big news is that during my vacation, I'm going to post not one, but 2 videos every week. I've started a new playlist. Short and sweet, tidbits of design advice, you might even say bite-sized design. So make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss these new episodes starting next week, and then every Monday and Friday, until I get back. And speaking of vacation, where am I headed, you ask? I'm off to London, Paris, Moscow, St. Petersburg, Brussels, and Amsterdam. A whirlwind of culture, food, architecture, and design. Do you want to join me on my vacation, so to speak? Follow me on Instagram. That's the best place to experience all these amazing places right along with me. I can't wait to soak up all the design and get inspired. And if you have any must-sees or must-eats in any of these great cities, let me know in the comments below. I'm looking for cool neighborhoods, interesting interiors, and yummy food. So help me out. Thanks again for watching, commenting, and subscribing. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see some travel vlog type videos of my trip. Not sure I'm a very good vlogger, but maybe I should give it a try. Let me know. See you very soon.